Before you start, check whether the printer has additional paper cassette units or a paper cabinet. If it does, assemble them before you unbox the printer. If it doesn't, skip directly to the printer unboxing. Remove the cabinet from its packaging. Make sure you have all of the included hardware shown here. Place the cabinet on a flat surface and pull down on the locks to secure the front casters. Attach the side stands to the cabinet using the included thumb screws. Attach both reinforcing bars to the side stands and secure them with the included screws. Remove any additional paper cassette units from their packaging. Make sure you have all of the included hardware shown here. Stack the cassette units on top of the paper cabinet. Pull out the cassettes and remove all of the packing materials. Use the included screws to secure each additional paper cassette unit and the cabinet. Insert the paper cassettes that you removed and place the correct sticker on each cassette unit to indicate the cassette number. Remove the plastic straps from the printer box. Open the top of the printer box and set aside the output tray, ink packs, documentation, and power cable. Remove the foam packaging. Pull on the 4 plastic latches to remove them from the box. Lift the box off of the printer. Remove the plastic wrap and posts. Lift the printer and place it where you'll use it, or gently lower it onto any additional cassette units that you previously assembled. Make sure that 2 or more people lift the printer and that you use the handles shown here. Secure the back of the product to the cassette unit using the included brackets and screws. Repeat this for the paper cabinet or any additional cassette units. Remove the tape from the outside of the product. Make sure to open the printer and remove the packing material around the print head. Attach the output tray. If your printer has a paper cabinet, attach the plastic cover to the cabinet.